Hey guys, Joe Car John here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another sound clip from my 2020 Chevy Sonic. So in the previous video, I compared the stock exhaust to the ZZP Catback exhaust with the muffler. And as I was driving around for a while, the sound's great. If you don't want it to be too obnoxious, the sound's great. Of the previous setup, which I put the link to that product in the previous video's description. I'll tag that video in this one so that way you guys kind of keep it all straight. But I kind of want it to be a little bit louder, or at least kind of experiment with that. So ZZP sells just the exhaust delete section for their kit, which I'll tag that in this video's description. And so they don't make it for the RS version of the Sonic, so you'll see that the exhaust tip's a little misaligned. I'm going to probably work on that. I kind of wanted to see what it sounded like first. I do like the new sound of this, however, it is a little loud. So if you guys don't want to be obnoxious, probably wouldn't want to do this. Maybe think about getting a different muffler instead, because it is a little loud, which you'll see in this video. But yeah, it's only $99. If you already have the whole exhaust kit to get the muffler delete section. So I definitely think about it if you want your Sonic to be louder. So hopefully this helps. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns about it, put it down in the comments below. Anything else you guys like to see, put it in the comments below. But don't forget, subscribe for more content. I also have a 2007 Mustang, which come the summer, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on, so that way you guys can have more content. I think that's all I got for this video. Stay tuned for the sound clips, and I'll see you guys in the next one.